I am not Morgan Freeman, and what you see is not real. What if I were to tell you that I am not even a human being? Would you believe me?
Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to GenAIXplained, your go-to channel for all things generative AI. Today, we're diving deep into deepfakes. Ever seen a video of a celebrity doing something, well, uncharacteristic? Chances are you've encountered the magic of deepfakes. But what is a deepfake? A blend of deep learning and foxi is a hyper-realistic AI-generated video that can make anyone say or do, well, anything. With the rise of Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs for the cool kids, deepfakes have become more accessible and, dare we say, convincing. But how do they work? Imagine two AIs, one's the artist, the other's the critic. The artist tries to create a fake, the critic tries to spot it. Back and forth they go until, voila, a masterpiece is born. Action Hollywood to your next-door neighbor. Everyone's experimenting. But with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical concerns are real. Misinformation, identity theft, and more. But fear not. Here at GenAIXplained, we're all about responsible AI use. Imagine getting a personalized birthday wish from your favorite celeb or your favorite movie scene, but with characters from your favorite show. It's possible. Sounds dreamy, right? That's the positive side of deepfakes for you. Personalized content is the next big thing in generative AI. With the rise of platforms like TikTok and YouTube, deepfakes are more accessible than ever. But remember, with great power comes, yeah, we get it. It's not all mischief though. Deepfakes have legit uses. Think movie dubbing, video game enhancements, and even historical recreations. Like all tech, deepfakes have their pros and cons. While they're a testament to AI capabilities, they also raise ethical concerns. But fear not, the tech community is on it. New tools are emerging to detect and counter malicious deepfakes. All right, explorers of the AI abyss, that's a wrap on today's deep dive into deepfakes. If you love this adventure, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more exciting content. And hey, what AM mystery should we unravel next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's co-create the GenAIXplained journey. Until next time.